In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows activation error code 0xA004F074 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the start button and then you have to click on the settings icon, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and then select settings. The same window will appear from here. So in the list of options on the left pane, click on system, then you have to scroll down and then click on troubleshoot. Now here you will find other troubleshooters. So once you find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. Aside from that, it will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. Will also automatically fix the issue for you. Once the step is done, close the window or close the troubleshooting window, and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. That will fix the issue for you. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more valuable videos and tutorials for you. So next method is go ahead to the Windows search bar and type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Now on the right pane, you have to click this option, run as administrator. Then here you have to simply type this command, sfc space /scan now. It's sfc space /scan now and hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. So you have to wait for this process to be 100% completed. Once this is completed, you just need to simply type exit or close the window. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.